Right, welcome back. We are moving on today. We're looking at law of indices, and we're specifically looking at index notation involving fractions, okay? A couple of things you need to remember on this, okay? The number on the bottom of the fraction tells you what root you're looking for. So on this one, okay, we're looking for the square root, okay? If you think of, if I said 10 squared, okay, 10 to the power of 2 is 10 squared, okay? The opposite of squared, okay, is the square root. So when you've got something to the power of a half, you're looking for the square root of it. Okay, the square root of 16 then is obviously 4. Now what we technically do then, okay, whatever your answer to the square root is, or whatever your answer to the root is on the bottom, we then need to do the power of whatever's on the top of the fraction, the numerator. 4 to the power of 1 is 4. Okay, so our final answer to this is 4. So what we're looking at, okay, is whatever the number on the bottom is your root, whatever the number on the top is, you then do it to the power of that. Okay, I'll show you another example just to make sure we're clear. Okay, so we've got 8. Now the number on the bottom tells us what root we're looking for. So we're looking for the cube root of 8. Okay, so something times something times something equals 8. And the cube root of 8 is 2. Okay. 2 then to the power of 1, because there's a 1 on the top, is just 2. Okay, this is where it gets a little bit trickier. Okay, so we've got a 2 on the bottom of the fraction in the denominator, so we're going to do the square root of 25 first. Okay, square root of 25 is 5. Then what we need to do is we take our answer from there, and we get our power then is whatever the top of the fraction is, the numerator. So we've got 5 cubed, which is 125. So our final answer is actually bigger than the number we started with. Okay, last one then. So we've got 81, and we're going to find the 4th root of 81. So something times something times something times something, something 4 times equals 81. Okay. Our answer to this is 3, because 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 times 3 is 81. So we've got 3. So we've dealt with the 4. We then need to do 3 cubed. Why are we doing 3 cubed? Because the power on the top is 3. 3 cubed is 27. So our final answer is 27. So key bits to remember. The number on the bottom tells you what root you're looking for. The number on the top tells you what the power is. So if you look at this one, our power once we'd square rooted it was 3. So you're doing 5 times 5 times 5 and equals 125. I recommend that you do the root first, the bottom number first, and then you do the top number after it. Okay. If you've got any questions on this, let me know. I will give you a worksheet to go with it. Otherwise, have a good day, guys.